Hey, everyone. Imagine waking up to money hitting your bank account while you're still in bed. No 9 to 5, no boss, just pure freedom. What if I told you that you could make $100,000 a year with passive income, a cash that flows in without the daily grind? That's exactly what this video is about. I'm revealing 10 proven passive income ideas that can get you to $100,000 a year fast. And here's the best part. They're straight from the playbook of a millionaire minter. Whether you're a total beginner wondering how to make passive income with no money or someone ready to scale up to financial freedom, this is for you. Hit that like button if you're excited to change your life, subscribe if you're new here, and let's jump into these game-changing ideas. Now, these aren't just ideas I pulled out of thin air. I've dug deep into the passive income strategies from millionaires like Warren Buffett, who's mastered dividend stocks, Robert Kiyosaki, the king of real estate investing, and top online entrepreneurs who've turned simple ideas into millions. These are the best passive income ideas for beginners and pros alike, 10 actionable steps to get you to that $100,000 a year mark. We're talking real estate, online businesses, affiliate marketing, and even ways to start with zero cash. My promise? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan to kickstart your wealth journey. Let's start with something anyone can do. No experience needed. Ready? 1. Affiliate marketing. This is hands down one of the best passive income ideas for beginners. Here's how it works. You promote products you love, like fitness gear, software, or online courses, using a special link. When someone clicks and buys, you get a commission, sometimes 20%, 50%, even 75% of the sale. Millionaires love this because it's low risk and scalable. Imagine starting a blog about tech gadgets. One review with an affiliate link earns you $50 per sale. Get 10 sales a month, that's $500. Scale to 100 sales across multiple links, and you're at $5,000 a month, $60,000 a year, without ever making your own product. Pro tip: pick evergreen niches like health or money, stuff people always need, and use free tools like Canva to make it pop. It's a fast passive income winner. 2. Dividend stocks. This is a millionaire minter classic. Warren Buffett's built an empire with this. You buy shares in companies that pay dividends. Think of it like a thank you check for being a shareholder. Start small. $1,000 in a stock with a 5% dividend yield gives you $50 a year. Now, imagine $50,000 invested. That's $2,500 a year, just sitting there. Reinvest those dividends, and it snowballs over time. Apps like Robinhood or Fidelity make this super easy, even if you're new to investing. Look for stable companies like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson. They've paid dividends for decades. It's not the fastest idea up front, but it's a rock-solid path to passive income and financial freedom. 3. Real estate investing. Without the landlord hassle. Millionaires swear by real estate for wealth, but you don't need to fix toilets or chase tenants. Enter REITs, real estate investment trusts. These are companies that own properties like malls or apartments and pay you dividends. Invest $1,000 in a REIT with a 6% yield, and you're pocketing $60 a year. Scale that to $100,000 invested, boom, $6,000 a year, passively. Platforms like Fundrise let you start with as little as $10. It's a fast passive income strategy, no dealing with leaky pipes. Want a real-world example? Vanguard's VNQ REIT has averaged solid returns for years. This is millionaire-level wealth simplified. 4. Create an online course. Millionaires like Grant Cardone and Onyx Single have turned their expertise into passive millions. Got a skill, like photography, cooking, or even Excel tricks? Record a course once, upload it to Udemy or Teachable, and earn every time someone buys. A $50 course selling 50 times a month is $2,500, $30,000 a year. Spend a weekend filming with your phone, edit with free software like DaVinci Resolve, and you're set. I know a guy who made $100,000 teaching dog training online. True story. It's work up front, but after that, pure passive income. Pick something you're good at and let it work for you. 5. Rental real estate. This is the OG of passive income, Robert Kiyosaki's favorite. Buy a property, rent it out, and let tenants cover your mortgage plus profit. Picture this: a $200,000 home with a $1,500 monthly rent. After $1,000 in expenses, mortgage, taxes, upkeep, you're left with $500 a month or $6,000 a year. Buy 2 more properties, and you're at $18,000 a year. No cash? Try house hacking, live in one unit of a duplex, rent the other out, and live free while earning. It's how millionaires build wealth fast. Check local listings or sites like Zillow to start small. This is your ticket to $100,000. All right, we're at the halfway mark. 5 incredible ideas down. 5 more to go. How are you feeling? Inspired yet? Which of these hits home for you? Dividend stocks, affiliate marketing, real estate? Drop a comment below. I'd love to know. If you're loving this, smash that like button. It helps me bring you more content like this. And if you're new, hit subscribe and the bell so you don't miss the next video. We're building your path to $100,000 a year together. Let's keep it rolling. 6. Print on demand. This is perfect if you're creative. Design graphics for t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, upload them to sites like Teespring or Redbubble, and earn when they sell. No inventory, no shipping. A $20 shirt with $5 profit selling 100 times a month is $500. $6,000 a year. Find a niche, like cat lovers or fitness buffs, and scale it. I saw a guy make $50,000 a year selling sarcastic quote tees. Use free tools like Canva to design, and let the site handle the rest. Millionaires call this a low-risk online business. It's passive income with zero hassle. 7. Write an ebook. Authors like Tim Ferriss turned words into wealth this way. Write a 50-page guide on something you're good at, say, budgeting tips or gardening hacks. Publish it on Amazon Kindle and earn royalties forever. A $5 ebook selling 100 times a month is $500. $6,000 a year. Write 3 bestsellers, and you're at $18,000. Use Google Docs for free, hire a $20 cover designer on Fiverr, and you're live. A friend of mine made $10,000 with a grilling recipe book. Crazy, right? It's a one-time effort for years of passive income. 8. YouTube ad revenue. Yep, this very platform. Create videos like this one. Grow your audience and monetize with ads once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. At 100,000 views a month with a $2 RPM, that's revenue per 1,000 views, you're at $200 monthly or $2,400 a year. High-value niches like finance or tech can hit $10 RPM, $12,000 a year. I know creators making 6 figures just from old videos still getting views. It's work to build, but passive once the audience sticks. Start with what you love and let YouTube pay you. 9. Dropshipping. Sell products online without ever touching them. Suppliers handle inventory and shipping. Set up a Shopify store, list hot items like fitness gadgets or pet toys, and profit on each sale. A $10 profit per item on 50 sales a month is $500. $6,000 a year. Scale to 500 sales, and you're at $60,000. Use Oberlo to find trending products. Think resistance bands during workout season. Millionaires use this to test markets fast. It takes setup, but once it's running, it's a passive income machine. 10. High-yield savings or CDs. This is the easiest idea. No skills, no hustle. Park your money in a high-yield savings account or certificate of deposit with rates like 5%. With $50,000, you earn $2,500 a year. It won't hit $100,000 alone, but pair it with other ideas for a safety net. Banks like Ally or Marcus offer these rates. Check them out. It's what millionaires use to keep cash growing while they focus on bigger plays. Start with $100 if that's all you've got. It's passive income with zero effort. $100K fast. Millionaire secrets. And there you have it. 10 passive income ideas to make $100,000 a year fast, all inspired by millionaire mentors who've walked the walk. From affiliate marketing to real estate, you've got options whether you're starting with no money or ready to invest big. The key? Pick one, start small, and stack them up until you hit that $100,000 mark. Which idea are you jumping on first? Comment below. Dropshipping, ebooks, whatever. I read every single one. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more wealth-building gold, and share this with a friend who needs it. Let's make financial freedom real. See you in the next video.